Hi guys! So obviously this is a continuation video for the reaction video that I made. If you have watched it already and if you haven't, then you can watch it in my YouTube channel. So for this video, we will gonna react the acapella performance of my Blackmates. So without further ado, let's begin. So, naka-denim pa sila, no? Char. As you can see, na I want foreigner, and obviously, it's Alingasa. Ang cute nila, oy. What? Naganahan na lagi si Fred. So, si Fred nang nasa, naganahan na. Na si Princess nang nag-curly-curly dere. Naka-ponytail. Ay, naka-ponytail sila tanan. So, ay, aside from Ruby Lee, ang naka-girl white ba? Denim. Amazing kay kagi-clutch dali nila. Ang ilahang practice. Kay busy lagi sila sa ilang mga school works. Pero, amazing kaayo. Kay, naka-place sila, 3rd place. Out of, pila to ka sections, nakalimut ko, basta more than 10. Imagine that. That is Marimon. Nice voice. What makes them 3rd place, kay I think it's the synchronization and the loud voice. Kay I have observed other performances. Dili na nakakusog tingog. That's why. Isa magud ka mic ang nasa tunga. I have no, permission gikan sa ilang i post lang ko ni. I think maulaw sila, but sorry guys. Para lang na history, na documentation. Kana ang girl, I think she is from education. Nali may ka Blackmates nga other course. Walang tatalo sa kanilang actions. Oy, dindot siya in fairness sa tingog. I hope I got to have that kind of voice. Ang doon sa mic, kanang nag-beatbox, sound effects, muna si Antonio. May kanya-kanyang mundo eh. Tingnan mo. Yung si Reddy Boy lang yung katawa. While performing, nagkatawa. But it's okay. Di man nahalata sab. Look at that! The best part! Also that, Michael Jackson. May lang action, guys. First time na ko nakita. First time ko nakita, nasa tayo sayaw. Wait, kinaka-3rd man. That's Princess, the brave one. Ay. If ma-disappoint ba kasi mo kinabuhi, i-rewatch na lang nimo ang mga previous nga videos nga inyong buhat kay dito ka ma-alive ka ba? Somewhat ma-motivate ka. The low voice. Anong lalaki ba? Nindot. Di naman gid sila, anong amateur singers. But they execute it well compared to other performances without bias ha, kaya mga section. Pero ano, tawa sa nagsinabot na. Actually, na-disappoint na sila ang kuhan nag-exam pagod. Finals is the most important ng examination nga imong ipas. Pero di pa to malala kayo kay we haven't have thesis course on that kuan semester. Pero dali ma-anxious ug ma-stress. Taas-taas mo siguro nilang kuan video, it's 6 minutes. Six minutes and 15 seconds. May kanya-kanyang pinaglalaban. Go! Ayaw man na bala. So, my rating para silang performance is bisag i-cram to nila ha. I think 96. 1% ang itinaas sa ibang rating. It's 96. It's because I know they execute very well na performance. But namay na first, so dili gid 100. So I'll give it 96 over 100. Hindi na yun masama. So for the outfit, it's denim. It's okay lang. It's cute. And dinalian po ito nga concept. So it's acceptable. And the quality sa ilang voice nag-synchronize man. So I'll give a passing score. So I think that's the end of the series sa ako ang reaction video sa Art Up Culmination performances. So I can say na I really enjoyed watching all of those videos. And probably if they saw these videos, I think i-PM ko nila nga, uy, ayaw na ikuhan public. It's because ilan na nang gibasura tanan nga memories, but it's fun kasi experience man to nila nga experience man to namo rather nga nag-perform for that final requirement. So I have fun. I did have fun. I hope you guys too. Goodbye.